Welcome to our mathematics class. So students, take your mathematics textbook, term 1, volume 2. Students, as we completed numbers, unit 2. So now we are going forward, that is unit 1, geometry. This is a very interesting chapter. I know you are all eagerly waiting. So students, open your textbook and ready with a nice sharp pencil and an eraser. Students, take page number 1. The first unit is geometry. Say geometry. So as you all learned in your previous standard, isn't it? You know the basic shapes. What are the basic shapes? See here, square. What is the red color box here? It is not a box, it is called as square. And the green one is called as rectangle. Say along with me, rectangle. And what is this one called? Triangle. Why it is called triangle? Because it has only 3 sides. See here it has 4 sides. In square, in rectangle, it has 4 sides. But in triangle, it has only 3 sides. And circle, what is this? Round. It is not a round, it is called as circle. No edges, no corners, it is plain, simply circle. So students, as you are familiar with the basic shapes, isn't it? So here you have to draw the circle the squares with red. Underline this line, circle the squares with red. You have to observe this picture and circle which one is square in shape. You have to circle with a red color pencil. And the rectangles, what is rectangle here? This is called rectangle. So you have to identify which one is rectangle in this picture and circle with a green color pencil. And the next shape is triangle. Triangle is in which color? Yellow. So you have to take your yellow color pencil and circle the object which is triangle. And circle with blue color. Circle the circle with a blue color. You can see easily, you can identify which one is circle and you have to circle them with a blue color pencil. Students, please take page number 2. Now we are going to see one activity, construction of 2D shapes. I am going to show you how to make a shape. So now I am going to take one A4 sheet. It is white color. So what is this called? A4 sheet. Now we are going to do. Here they have given step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Shall we do? Step 1, take a paper. I have taken a paper. Step 2, fold the paper as shown in the figure. Step 2, fold the paper as shown in the figure. I already folded. This is the step 2. See here, you can see easily identify the step 2 here. Okay, and step 3, shade the extra portion in the bottom with red color. You have to take a red color pencil and shade this portion with a red color pencil. Cut it off. This and tear it off and keep it aside. And now what you have seen is this portion is called diagonal. See, here it has given diagonal. So this is called as diagonal. Open the triangle. Now it look like a which shape? What shape is this? This is a triangle. Now I am going to open the triangle. See students, what are you observing this picture? What is the shape? Very good. The shape of this paper is now, it is square shape. See, in square shape, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And see, all the 4 sides are equal. I will show you clearly. See here, when I fold this paper, it becomes triangle. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, so triangle. And when I open the fold, you can observe a shape. What is the shape? Square. Say it with me. Square. See, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can notice that all the 4 sides are equal in size. It has 4 edges, 4 corners. So, what's the shape? square. You can also do it in your home. So students, now I am going to tell you the properties of square. I already said a square has a 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. What is diagonal? I showed you diagonals. And the properties of square, square has 4 sides. And all the 4 sides are equal. In square, all the 4 sides are equal. Square has 2 diagonals and these 2 diagonals also equal. And students, now I am going to give you one activity. You have to make a rectangle by folding a paper, which you have seen in a video, isn't it? Now I showed you how to make a square in a folding paper. You try this and make a shape rectangle and write their properties below the rectangle. Do it in your activity note. Students, the next shape we are going to see is a triangle. See, triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Obviously 3 corners. First corner, second and third. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And there are different types of triangles. Isosceles triangle. It is nothing but it has 2 equal sides. Isosceles triangles have 2 equal sides. So it is called isosceles. Iso means 2. And equilateral triangle, it also 3 sides, but all the 3 sides have same length. All are equal in length. So equilateral triangle. And scalene triangle in which all the 3 sides have different. See here, it is long, it is little more shorter, it is little more shorter. So isosceles, 2 are in same length. Equilateral, all the 3 sides are in same length. And scalene, all the 3 sides are in different length. So students, take page number 4. It is a very interesting topic for you. I know you are all excited and eagerly waiting for this. So we are going to draw a circle using pencil and bangle. So drawing a circle using a circular objects. What are the circular objects I am having? Here I am having a bangle. Blue colored bangle. So we are going to draw a circle using a bangle. So what are the things needed? A round shape object and a sharp pencil and an eraser. So students, are you all ready? Okay, now I will show you how to draw a circle using a bangle. Students, draw a circle using pencil and a bangle. It is on page number 4. So now I am going to take step 1. I am going to place a bangle. See, carefully you have to place a bangle. Hold it like this. Take a pencil. You have to handle like this only. And you have to start circle. So I completed the circle. Now you will see what you are seeing. A fine circle, isn't it? So likewise, you try it at your home and do it in your activity note. And you have to write the properties. The properties, what are the properties of circle? Circle is a closed curve. See, it is closed. It has no sides. See, you can see any sides here? No. And no corner. But circle has a center point. See, it has a center point. So students, activity 1. Write the names of few objects in everyday use and mention their geometrical shapes. Example, paper. What is the shape of the paper? I already said, it is rectangle in shape because opposite sides are equal. Here it is long, here it is short. So opposite sides are equal. It is rectangle. So triangle has dash corners. I already said triangle has how many corners? Yes, very good. You have to take a pencil and write neatly in the given box. And shall we go to 1.2? Page number 5. Students, take page number 5. Properties of 3D objects. What do you mean by 3D? It is 3-dimensional objects. You can see the objects in a 3-dimensional way. See here, I can see it in a 3 way. 1, 2, 3, isn't it? 3-dimensional way. We can see many things around us have straight line and curved line. Activity 2. Tick the appropriate box to show the lines found in the given objects. Objects, here they have given objects. Which one has curved line and which one has straight line. You can easily find which one has a curved line and which one has a straight line. You have to tick the box, okay? And you are going to learn about the plane surface and a curved surface. The plane surface is nothing but it is flat, isn't it? So I am showing you my textbook. It is flat, so it is called as a plane. So one more thing I am going to show you, the scale. It's a plane surface. So the plane surface is nothing but the wall, floor, papers and top of a table or flat. It is nothing but it is flat surface. So otherwise called as plane surface or planes. Example, cubes and cuboids. And here they are given table, blackboard, a box and a book. These are example for plane surface. And what do you mean by the curved surface? Surface of few objects such as ball, flowers, pot are curved. Now I am going to show you some curved surface. So student, what is this? This is a balloon. Purple colored balloon, isn't it? Curved surface. Example for a curved surface. See here, it is curved. And the next example I am going to show you is bangle. Blue color bangle. Curved circle bangle. And you can see cylinder, this carrot, lemon, pot, battery and a bucket. These are example for curved surface. Practice. Tick the appropriate columns. Shapes. What is the shape? Cube. Cuboid. What is the shape? Cylindrical shape. See here the battery is in a cylindrical shape. Cylindrical, sphere, cone. So you have to tick the appropriate column. Which have plane surface, you have to tick which one is the plane surface. Which have curved surface, you have to tick that column. And which have plane surface and curved surface, you have to tick that column. Shall we go to the next page, students? Students, take page number 6. Look at the things around us. See here, I am having so many things here. So you have to identify this. What are the shapes? Is this a plane surface or a curved surface? Okay, likewise, you have to identify the shape of the objects, observe the dimension, whether it is 2D dimension. Okay, the 3D shapes. Solid shapes have 3-dimensional, namely length, breadth, height. These are the 3-dimensional contains length, breadth and height. These are shortly called as 3D shapes. So 3D is nothing but it has length, breadth and height. Keep it in mind, students. So it is called as 3D. Let us know, a cube is a solid shape made of squares, isn't it? A cube is a square. It has 6 faces. How many faces that cube has? 6 faces, 12 edges. 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cuboid is a solid shape made of rectangles. Cuboid is a rectangle in shape. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A sphere is a solid shape made of circles. Sphere is nothing but a circle. It has 1 face. The 1 face, no edges, no vertices. So match the following. Students, this is an ice cream. It is the shape of a cone. So match with cone. And what is this? It is a ball. What is the shape? Sphere shape. And one more example, globe. And what is this? Dice is an example for cube. So draw a line here and you can connect with this. So complete the other one. Page number 7. Second sum. Complete the following table by filling the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Serial number, figure, 2D or 3D shape, name of the shape, number of sides, number of edges, number of corners, number of diagonals. The first shape is rectangle. Rectangle is a 2D shape. So the name of the shape is rectangle. You have to write how many sides a rectangle has. Yes, rectangle has 4 sides and the edges, 4 edges and 4 corners and 2 diagonals. You have to write like this. And in a triangle, how many sides? 3 sides, the edges 3 and the corners 3 and the diagonals. You have to write like this and complete up to 9 and send it to us. Hope you enjoy this class, students. See you in the next class. Thank you.